In this video, we will learn how to move pictures in Microsoft Word. When inserting pictures into Word, you can reposition them anywhere in your document. By default, pictures in Word are inserted as in line with text, making them behave similarly to text, which can limit their positioning. To freely move images and create professional-looking documents, we recommend setting the text wrapping around pictures. There are 3 easy methods to move pictures in Word. First, use the Align feature. Select your picture. Navigate to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, choose an alignment option, left, center, right. This method keeps the picture in line with the text and doesn't wrap it around. Second, use a Position feature. Select the picture. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Arrange group, select Position. Choose your desired position from the drop-down menu. The picture will move immediately and wrap text around it. For additional customization, select more layout options at the bottom of the Position drop-down. In the Layout dialog box, click the Text Wrapping tab. Choose an option such as Tight, then click OK. You can move the picture by simply clicking and dragging it with your mouse. The third method is via the Wrap Text option. Select your picture. Navigate to the Picture Format tab. Click Wrap Text in the Arrange group and select your preferred option from the drop-down menu. A quicker alternative. Select your picture and click the Layout options icon next to it. Under With Text Wrapping, select Tight for optimal positioning, flexibility. To precisely position your picture, select it and use the Control key combined with the arrow keys for minor adjustments. If text wrapping isn't a priority, click Layout options next to your picture. Choose either behind text or in front of text, allowing you to freely drag the image anywhere, keeping in mind this might overlap your text. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.